So ngayon guys, ibanta mo guys sa pag-withdraw aning adula guys kung namin may ingani. Let's go, click na to guys. Tapos click na to ning withdraw. Click ang withdraw. Tapos click na to ni guys kani. Yan withdraw. Guys, Gcash ako guys, Gcash. Yan. Ini guys ang account, so confirm na guys. Yan, so click natin yung withdraw. So naman na guys, nasulod na ni sa Gcash guys.